UNESCO's WISE program, Women in Science in Emergency, was created because we know that in the aftermath of Hurricane Melissa, labs were closed. A lot of important research was interrupted, and we know that the contribution of women is vital all around the world, including in this case.
The project I'm working with is to find environmentally sustainable ways to make compounds that are selective for their anti-mosquito activity. Currently, many of the compounds that we use to get rid of mosquitoes and other pests are not selective, so they're going to harm bees, butterflies, other beneficial insects. So we're looking at how can we make these molecules that are selective and in a way that's not going to generate toxic byproducts and be environmentally beneficial. We've had some structural challenges with our lab before Melissa, and Melissa would have made that situation worse. But with the grant, we're able to pivot a little bit to use a different space and allow the 3 undergraduate students that I have working with me on the project to continue. So it's going to help us to drive the project forward.
My research here at Northern Caribbean University is to study the science of queen rearing, to study the science of bee propagation in the region specific to Jamaica, and also to see how this can translate into economic development, especially for women and youth of the region. Just before the hurricane hit, we relocated the boxes, and during relocating the boxes from the original secured area that we had them, resulted in the damage of our boxes. They were exposed to pests that really took a hit at the boxes that we had. I'm very excited about being awarded this WISE grant, because this will help us to replace the boxes that we lost, also to secure additional gears and tools, right, for re-establishing our apiary, and that will also enable us to carry out our training as intended.
The UNESCO Women in Science Microgrant Scheme is an absolutely catalytic intervention that is enabling the restart of stalled experiments, safeguarding thesis guidelines with master's and PhD students progressing with the completion of their degrees, and enabling researchers to regain momentum that was lost in the post-Hurricane Melissa period. Thanks to UWI and UNESCO.